So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Roma Chandra, the FDP coordinator. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the valedictory session of this 5-day AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program on computer science and biology, impact of bioinformatics and molecular biology on drug discovery from 4th to 8th October. And today is the last day. We have completed our 5 days today. So I request Dr. Rashmi to please extend her vote of thanks to the participants, please.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Today we have come to an end of this 5-day FDP program on computer science and biology, impact of bioinformatics and molecular biology on drug discovery, organized by Department of Biotechnology, ILMCET. The objective of this program was to create a platform for faculties and research scholars from various institutions across India to gain knowledge on recent trends of drug discovery and discuss the impacts of fields like bioinformatics and molecular biology. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary science spanning genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, population genetics, and molecular phylogenetics. Bioinformatics analysis can not only accelerate drug target identification and drug candidate screening and refinement, but also facilitate characterization of side effects and predict drug resistance. So advancement in bioinformatics, computational biology, and molecular biology has increased productivity at many stages of the drug discovery pipeline. All the session in this FDP program were an eye-opening session for us, and we all gained knowledge and learned different skills through this FDP program. So I would like to thank everyone for their continuous support throughout this program. First of all, I would like to thank our management for motivating us and giving us full opportunity and support to organize such program. I would also like to thank AICT for sponsoring our FDP. I'm very thankful to all our eminent speakers who have taken out their valuable time and delivered such wonderful sessions. So I want to thank them all. I would also like to thank the team of this FDP. First, our FDP coordinator, Dr. Roma Chandra, for organizing such a wonderful FDP so smoothly. I want to thank other team members also, Dr. Meenu, Dr. Bharti, Dr. Abhinav, Dr. Garima, Dr. Deepak, and Mr. Vikas Gupta for their continuous support to make it successful. I want to thank Mr. Amardeep also for his support. And at the end, I would like to thank all the participants for being the part of this wonderful journey. So thank you all. Thank you very much. Romana, it's over to you now.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I again take this opportunity being the FDP coordinator of this event. So I would like to thank all the dignitaries, participants, and colleagues for being a part of this FDP. I'm really thankful to all the renowned speakers and delegates who accepted our invitation and added knowledge to this event. I thank all the participants who showed interest for this FDP and attended this FDP in full strength. I hope this FDP will be fruitful for all of us. I'm also thankful to the management and seniors for the constant support and guidance. And I also thank faculty members and technical staff who cooperated in the best manner and contributed to this FDP. So I would like to also mention about the galaxy of eminent speakers we had throughout this FDP. Dr. Vidhi Mishra, who was professor from IIIT Allahabad. She started with the topic on journey from chemical compound to drug, and that was a kickstart for this event. She discussed how a potential chemical compound can be converted into a potential drug. Then Dr. Sonika Bhatnagar from NSU2 discussed one of the innovative methods from her own research. She used machine learning approach for drug target selection in infectious diseases, which is a breakthrough for this kind of research. Mr. Deepak Purushottam, who is a senior scientist from Washington University, he talked about integration and visualization of multimodal, multi-skill data in bioinformatics, discussing some novel ideas and tools. Dr. Mohammad Imran Siddiqui, senior principal scientist from CDRI Lucknow, discussed on recent trends in computer-aided drug designing. Dr. Divya Bhabha Pradhan, scientist from ICMR, AIMS, added to the discussion on drug designing and talked about recent bioinformatics techniques applicable for computer-aided drug designing. Dr. Gaurav Kumar from Galgotia University went with his talk on identification of novel compounds of therapeutic interest using molecular dynamics. Dr. Sailesh Kumar, scientist in charge from NIPGR, discussed about the role of next generation sequencing in genomic research and also discussed about the various tools developed by his team for computer-aided drug designing. Dr. Raghendra Singh from Gautam Buddha University took session on protein structure and discussed the applications in drug discovery. Dr. Surjit Devnath was there, who discussed his idea about simulation and also took some hands-on session. Dr. Subhash Agarwal, scientist T and head bioinformatics division from NICPR, discussed about the role of quantitative structure-activity relationship in drug discovery. Dr. Hriday Ranjan Bairagya discussed about biomolecular simulation in, again, computer-aided drug designing. Dr. Mirza Sarwar Beg, he went with the beautiful explanation of the stepwise protocol to perform protein modeling and discussion on virtual screening of drug likeness of small organic compounds. Today we had Dr. Yasha Hasija and Dr. Himanshu Sharma. Dr. Yasha discussed about machine learning powerful tool for bioinformatics, and Dr. Himanshu talked about structural investigation of minimalistic cellular complexes in an evolutionary divergent pathogen. So we had total 14 technical sessions throughout this FDP, and I'm really thankful to all the speakers for accepting our invitation, and thank you for adding so much knowledge to this FDP. Lastly, I would like to thank all the participants. We had around 125 participants for this FTP from different institutes across India. We had participants from AMU, from MIT University, from Anand Engineering College, from Anna University, Bansal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hindu College of Pharmacy, IFTM, Integral University, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, NSUT, NIU, and many more is there. So now I would like to invite the participants to please give their feedbacks for this FDP. I hope everyone had enjoyed the knowledge shared and it will be a positive addition to your research improvement. I request all the participants, if you want to suggest anything, you can put your feedbacks in the chat box, and you can also unmute yourself and please give your feedbacks how these 5 days went with this ATAL FDP. You can unmute yourself or you can put your suggestions, any suggestions or any feedbacks in the chat box.
Very good afternoon to all present over here. I'm Dr. Aparna Dutta from Kolkata. I'm actually a pharmacist by profession, and I also teach here as a pharmacy teacher. So this subject has been quite different from what I am into, but interestingly, I took it up because this is the era after we need to have this kind of blend where the computational knowledge is also necessary in order to have good understanding of how being blended into this field. So I have no issue in admitting that not all the lectures were understandable at my end, but anyhow, it did add to my knowledge. I thoroughly enjoyed being in this upliftment group. Thank you, Dean.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your feedback. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to add something?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Tanuja from Sairam Engineering College. Really, it was very informative session. I learned a lot, particularly the simulations and everything. It creates, because basically my area of interest is, area of research is chemistry, synthetic and its applications. So I'm just started doing docking. So this sessions was highly helpful for me to proceed further. Thank you very much, and thank you organizers for your patience and a very organized events. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anyone else? You can put your suggestions as well if you think there was something which needs to be added, which we couldn't. Maybe we can add the same in other FDPs for future.
Madam, I want to first of all, thanks to the organizing committee member and all the coordinator who coordinate this session very wonderful. I am audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. And session, what are the managed are very perfectly managed. And the speaker also, because there is step-by-step information about the data, research, statistics, then hands-on station, and then future drug discovery, how we go for the particular our own perspective to handle the particular data, and many more things in the future perspective of bioinformatics and drug discovery. And because of the number of hands-on session and new techniques for the molecular modeling and docking, so that is important for the further study of the molecular biology and drug discovery. And each and every session which are very fruitful information and not overwrite or any repetitive information in each and every session also. I want to add some suggestion for future work. Keep one hands-on workshop of the particular data which we can access, and then we can go for the actual molecular docking using the particular software like BioHia, Schrodinger, or Discovery Studio, which will be very fruitful. So, because number of molecule and drug-like molecules are many more, millions are there, and if we study on the particular 10 to 20 in particular workshop, so it will be very useful for us as a student and faculty member to develop the many more drug-like targets. And because we are, as a patent point of view, we are very lagging behind in the drug discovery patent. So again, thanks for our coordinator and organizing committee member. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll be incorporating the suggestions which you mentioned right now. Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am. This is Dr. S.V. Rajesh. Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Madam, first of all, many more thanks to you for organizing such a wonderful workshop. In fact, I'm a botanist. Basically, I don't know anything about bioinformatics. And these sessions actually, they were very good, almost all the sessions. And I could see how much patience that you have taken, pain that you have taken in organizing such a wonderful workshop. My hearty congratulations and thanks to you and your team. And I would like to make some suggestions here. Being from South India, I felt a little difficult in understanding Hindi. One session yesterday, it taken almost in Hindi. So if we avoid such things, then it would be helpful in understanding the whole lecture for me. And even another one more suggestion, in the forthcoming workshops, if you organize any hands-on training, that would be helpful. I think you could remember that I was asking you for whether I can attend with my iPad or laptop, because I was thinking that I would pre-install some software, so that in this workshop you would give some hands-on training like that. Anyway, but almost all the lectures were wonderful. All eminent speakers, they have spoken very well, and almost all the topics, everything is very fine. And it's a very wonderful session. I have spent almost 5 days with very worthy time I have spent with. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Congratulations to you and your team once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajesh, sir. It was actually we had these sessions. It was based on the format which we got from Atal FDP. So, but definitely we would like to organize some more workshops where we can just provide hands-on sessions to our participants. Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. Yes, ma'am, you want to say something, Dr. Rupalben?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam. 1 minute, madam. Working as associate professor at Parul Institute of Pharmacy and Research. Madam, very nice session. I am from pharmaceutics department. So basically we are involved in the development bioinformatics, a totally new information and relation to specially cooperating with us every time. Whenever we are facing any type of problem, you are ready to solve it and you are there. Number of times same question asked to you, each and every time you reply in a very nice way. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank
I'm
you.
very happy to be a part of this FDP. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really good to have participants like you. And I hope we'll organize more sessions like these and you can be a part of them as well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Definitely, madam. Okay. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone else?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
So this is Adam from Anna University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, ma'am. I learned many things, ma'am, the last 5 days. Even though I'm from computational biology background, so many expertise. They explain lot of things, ma'am. So it's a very wonderful session and very informative, ma'am. And one suggestion is in future sessions you can implement any hands-on session, ma'am. That will be very best for non-bioinformatician. So then they can use everything and that will be helpful for their research also, ma'am. That's all, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your wonderful reply and patience, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Definitely many of the participants had suggested for these hands-on sessions and definitely we'll be incorporating this or we'll be organizing workshops related to particularly for hands-on sessions only. Thank you so much. Anyone else?
Yeah, good afternoon, madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. I am Dr. Tushar Borse from Vidya Pratishthan School of Biotechnology, Baramati, Pune, from Maharashtra. So first of all, congratulations, Roma madam, for organizing such a very good FDP. All the resources were really good. We could learn many things. Personally, being a genomics person, I had been using bioinformatics for very little purpose. But then through the different resource persons, their lectures, their hands-on training, I could gain some glimpses, some more ideas, which I could be implementing in my research as well as in teaching. In a very short time, it's very difficult to grasp the whole theory as well as the practical, what is required for drug designing, but still the resource person has given a very good insight where we could learn few things and it has really helped us. I think it was worth attending this FDP. So once again, I like to thank you all and your team for organizing this FDP. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, this is Dr. Anuja Krishnan from Jamia Hamdard. I would like to congratulate that this has been an extremely well organized and a seamless sessions that I had seen and without wasting any time. So it was really good sessions that we had. And I'm a core biologist, I would say. But, we have had some couple of young postdocs here who have been doing the bioinformatics work. So I thought now I also need to foray into this field, especially in this pandemic time. There was no vet research which was happening, and this has really helped. At least we got a couple of publications. So thank you so much. Now I'm aware of all these topics and the words. Now whatever these people say, now I can understand what they're saying. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anyone else? Yes, Dr. Mohan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So I'm very happy to say that I am Dr. Mohan from Mahindra Engineering College, Tamil Nadu, madam. Really, it is very useful session. So every day, well planned and well organized sessions you organize, ma'am. And then I want to include that some of the tools we can include, ma'am. Even hands-on session, everybody is saying no, ma'am. So in that, some of that AI, as well as the machine learning, no. So some of the tools we can create. So purely we are from biotechnology background, but we are not at all having any idea about artificial intelligence as well as machine learning. So in that, any tools, it is very useful for us. So even though thank you very, so a special thanks to all of you, ma'am. So you organized, well organized as well as well defined manner, madam. Even the selection of topic is also very good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks. Yes. Any more
Thank you.
suggestions or any feedback? Anyone else wants to say something about the FDP or give any suggestion?
Madam, lastly, I want to add one point.
Yes.
Because you organize such wonderful FDP, can you arrange one day FDP? Because already we are working on the drug development and discovery. So if you arrange one day intellectual property right, patent filing, that will very useful for the further step of this FDP. Because we come to the now drug targets. If we go further for the patent filing and intellectual property right, so it is a complete scenario we come out from this session. कि यहाँ तक तो हो गया, लेकिन इसके आगे intellectual property right is very important.
Sir, actually,
Because you are at Delhi and there number of speakers from IPR there, and we can get easily access ki how we refill and how we go for the patenting and what are the forms, what are the applications, copyright, and then GI information also. So it will very helpful.
Sure, sir. We keep on organizing these kind of FDPs, and we had included topics under IPR a lot many times. But the thing was, this time we have, just because we have connected through our Atal portal, so that was the reason we were able to. Just a second. So sorry. So just because Atal, through the Atal portal, we got to know all of you, and we have a long list of participants from around India. All of you had joined this, but now I am having your contact details. So whenever we'll be having any kind of workshop or any kind of FDP related to this topic, so I'll be sharing the details to you all. Because we usually go with these topics, we go with workshops and hands-on sessions related to topics under biotech as well as IPR and related to fields. Anyone else wants to talk anything? Okay, so I think.
Roma ma'am.
Yes, sir.
This is Narendra. Roma ma'am.
Yes, sir.
May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, sure,
Yeah.
sure, sir.
Roma ma'am, this is Narendra from School of Biotechnology, Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra, Jammu. And I like the program, the way it is organized and the selection of the speakers. And really, they have done wonderful job. Current, research.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Was wonderful, like all the. Thank you, ma'am, for putting all the team together. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. So I think we are at the end of this 5-day FDP. If someone wants to add something, then please do, or I think we can just proceed with the exam.